Are you gonna be happy, Django, or sad?
All right, so as you guys know, we're getting ready to PCS, which in the military means permanent change of station. So we're moving. We're moving to Texas, and so the packers, the movers are coming to pack us out next week. And so we meant to, or we probably should have filmed this, but we just kind of got into a rhythm of working on some things this afternoon. So, but show you kind of what we've attempted to do as we're prepping for the movers to come. So when the movers come, they're gonna, if you don't label it or move it, they're gonna pack it up. And so one of the things we're trying to do is went through and pulled down all the food so that we can try to eat the rest of it down, as well as know what we've got left to pack up and take with us, because they won't, and you don't want them to pack the food, those sorts of things. So we went through, and like here was where cleaning supplies were, you know, and food was up here. So just trying to get things set where when they show up, we just say, hey, pack. You know, we're using some post-it notes for places where we're keeping some things, either for the people who are buying the house, or cleaning supplies that we'll need once they head out. So we'll try to do better about videoing some more of the stuff, just so you guys know kind of what's going on, how we're doing things. So another part of what we're doing to prep for the PCS is this room we're in now is our spare room. And so the only thing in here that the packers are packing up is going to be that bed. So we're going to ask them to do that on the first day. And everything else in here are the things that are going to be going with us in our vehicle. So uniform stuff for me, some sleeping bags, in case it's going to be a little longer before they can deliver our stuff to the house. And that's why we've got inflatable mattresses, a table, just some basic stuff where when we get on the other end, we will have some stuff that we need to get through if they can't deliver right after we get the house.
So we're not taking this couch, this love seat, or this chair with us when we go to Texas, because we've been using it here in an upstairs living room, and then our other stuff is downstairs in the living room. Django's enjoying this floor right now. And so anyway, we are going to sell these pieces of furniture here so that we can consolidate everything into one living room. We will be taking this with us, our entertainment center we had made in Turkey. So we'll be taking that with us, but just not any of the couches up here. So we're waiting for people who said they wanted to buy it, but they're not here yet. So it's going to look weird up here when there's no furniture for the next couple of days. So the people came and bought our furniture in here, and so now this is what the living room looks like. So that's weird, but it's going to get weirder in just a couple of days. Packing out.
All right, so today's the last day in the house. Tomorrow the movers show up and start packing things. So I already started packing the cars a little bit with stuff that we don't need at the moment, so we can try to get all of that out of the way of the packers. So a few things. And our air mattresses, camp chairs, and a table and stuff, depending on when they can deliver our stuff on the other end. In the back of the car, we got the small bags for the actual drive down there, uniform stuff hanging in there. And so just starting to get things where it needs to be so that we're as efficient as possible. Morning, everybody. So today is the day. Movers show up, well, anytime now. We think that we have gotten the house ready for them to come in and start to pack. And so we'll just try to stay out of the way, but I'll give you a quick walk around of what the house looks like with everything hopefully staged correctly. And then I'm sure you'll see videos of the professionals doing what they do. All right, so movers have been here a couple hours. They're taking a break right now, so we'll do a quick walkthrough and kind of see what they've gotten done so far. So I think that the kitchen is almost done. They've got, I think, want to do one more dish pack box. Haven't done anything upstairs just yet. Down here, though, they're making progress in the game area. Wesley's room is completely done, except for furniture. I gotta learn to slow down. I keep moving too fast with this thing. Then I believe I heard them say that they were pretty close to being done with Price's room. Yeah, it looks like they've got most of his stuff packed away. And they're working and almost done with the storage room.
So, apparently we've done a pretty good job minimalizing, that's not a word, our stuff, because it was supposed to take 2 days to pack us out, and they're done in 1 day.
Django's been freaking out all day.
Yeah, he did not like the new people in the house and all the weird things that they were doing in here. He didn't like it, so.
So as they go through, if they find stuff that they don't pack, they just put it aside. So we'll go through that tonight and figure out what's actually gonna go with us. This is the last of it. Load it on.
Well, I wasn't ready.
You gonna ask them if you can do that?
No, that's what you're for.